Griffin's cutting strips of paper to add to our birdhouse. Layton is also busy cutting strips of paper for the birdhouse. Alright, then we took a milk jug and cut it, and we are going to turn it into a bird feeder.
Yes, and then we dip the paper into...
Do you know what this is called? Paper mache is what we're going to do. So we cut pieces of paper, all different colors, and then we're going to make it into paper mache and line our milk jug with it.
Yep.
Our bird feeder is all paper mache. And now Layton is filling it with bird seed. And now we're ready to hang it.